We're at the bee farm in Panglao Island. Let's explore the area. It has a lot of things to offer, like organic gardening, has a spa, a restaurant, rooms available also. So let's have a look. Very nice cafe here. They also have diving, restaurant, massage. Wow, it's complete paradise. Let's go. The place smells heavenly. It's got a coffee shop, a souvenir shop, an ice cream shop. They also have an ATM machine. The restaurant is down there. So let's go. The restaurant is full. There are more places here, more tables, and you can pick a nice table with a great view of the sea. So after smelling coffee, I can smell seawater. It's just nice, so fresh, so nice out here. Oh wow, it's just awesome. Better if you come here so you can experience everything. It's not quite in camera. The bee farm also offers an excellent view of the beach. They have a dive shop, marine tours, chill out bars. This is just awesome. The restaurant offers a healthy menu of organic food. Very nice. This is their best seller, the organic garden fresh salad. Garlic, seafood, pasta. There's an open-air cafe and as well as those with nets. They have an area down there that's exclusively for hotel guests. Let's check this place out. There's another bar, a dive shop, and wow! The sea is literally under your feet. Look at the nice hangout place. You can also hang out here. Alright. Whoa. So amazing. So amazing. There's no lifeguard on duty, so you just watch out. This area is exclusive for hotel guests. That's why it's fenced out from here. So much to discover here. Live, laugh, and farm. They have a wide collection of herbs. This is a honeybee shop with all their honey products. That's the coffee shop and hangout place. Welcome to the bee farm, and you get welcome drinks as you arrive. More restaurants, more rooms up here, and more places to explore. Coconut tile work. So farm to table salad greens, herbs, a nice walk in the park, and I believe those boxes, it's where they keep the bees. This one and the other one. They also have cottage industry work featuring local products, weaving. Alright, oh, so there they are, their hammock. This is Joan of Arc at the bee farm. See you once again in our next stop. Bye bye for now.